Hey guys, welcome to my third video here on YouTube. I'm very glad that you found my very small channel, and yes, I'm happy to see you again, and if you're new here, I'm very happy to see you too. So let's get it started. Today I want to talk with you about what many people say is the most secret stock in the stock market. It's Palantir. Overall, I briefly touch the fundamental analysis and then focus on my technical analysis. And by the end of the video, I will tell you about my calculations about which prices we might reach in the long and mid-term and in the short term. And yeah, many people think that Palantir is a very young company, but this is not true. Palantir is already about, I think, 18 years old, and the IPO was just about 2 years ago, so this company is not new, it's just new on the stock market. I've now bought shares in Palantir, and I'm interested in telling you why I did so. No financial advice. But at first, to the fundamental aspect, Palantir is funded by the US government and is active placed in the defense sector. So this is a very stable, very steady company, and the Palantir company has very interesting customers. So fundamentally, I'm not worried. If some of you are wondering why this stock declines so much, this is very new, very normal for stocks that are very new in the stock market. So we have seen this a lot in the past, and this is nothing we have to wonder about. So now let's move on to the technical analysis. I've already analyzed the chart using the Elliott Wave method. And yeah, here I would first talk about the small waves, and at the end again about the larger waves and the long-term potential. And yeah, as already explained in the previous video, price declines according to the Elliott Wave method often take the form of ABC waves. In this chart, the C wave has perfectly approached the 161 Fibonacci retracement, as you can see here. This is a very typical retracement for the C wave. Accordingly, we can venture the assumption that the downward movement in the form of a typical ABC pattern is now complete. Overall, as you can see, the chart has been able to give us very good confirmation. In wave B and in wave C, the area of 61.8% determined by us was approached quite exactly. I've marked this in the chart for you. The subwave of the superior wave C, subwave 3, has also been able to reach a retracement calculated by us at 261.8%. This is also very typical for a wave 3 in the Elliott wave theory. Yeah, so all in all, we think that we have analyzed the chart very good so far and correctly so far. And now let's try to forecast the chart. After the completion of this downward movement, we now expect with a 70% probability that we will see a rise to 17.2 US dollar per share, and afterwards in the slightly long term, the 27.9 US dollar price per share. And yeah, if we look at the higher level waves, we have also completed the higher level wave 2 by this ABC pattern. So as a result, we now strongly assume that a higher level price increase is also imminent. In my eyes, this creates a very good buying opportunity. So we have a lot of potential in this chart. And what I want to tell you is that the wave 3 in the Elliott wave theory has the most typical retracement in 1.618% of the wave 1, and I've marked this in the chart. So all in all, we can expect here courses by up to $67 per share in the very long term. This may take a long time, but all in all, we focus on the short and midterm, and here I see prices we might reach at about $28 per stock, as I marked in the chart. And yeah, this is our first scenario with a probability of 70%. Yeah, as I told you about a primary scenario, there has to be a secondary scenario, and in this scenario we see the price fall to $6 US per share, but afterwards we see the price rise again to 17 US dollars. So also in the secondary scenario, I'm slightly bullish. I'm not as bullish as in the primary scenario, but I'm also bullish. And I give the secondary scenario a probability of 25 to 30% to happen. Yeah, so all in all, I see a very good buying opportunity. I bought my shares for about 14.5 US dollar per share. And yeah, this, as I already said, no financial advice. I just wanted to tell you what I see in this chart and what I think might happen in the future. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video this far. I really appreciate it. If you like my video, hit the like button. It would make me very happy. And if you got any questions, just ask me the questions in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day and enjoy your time. Your Leon.